Hi everyone, welcome back. I know it's been like forever since I recorded anything. I was supposed to do more Halloween things, but I couldn't get to it. And it has just been busy packing, hello Beery, and stuff like that. And by the title you read that it's gonna be my last Boxycharm, unfortunately. And it's gonna be very sad because I've been with Boxycharm for a year and like a few months. So it's very sad. I loved everything about it, but now I just feel like since I'm moving, I'm not gonna have much room for myself, and I just have everything I need. Maybe I could put Boxycharm price towards something I really want instead of getting 5 items, and it was just too much. So I've collected lots of good things and I've gotten rid of a bunch of stuff also, but everything I loved so far. And yeah, this box, let's just jump into it. This month's theme is going to be Gold Digger. These are the items and then the little boxy stuff in the back. But yeah, let's just see what the first item is. The first item is lashes from Lashaholic. Never heard of that before. But these are their media if you want to like check it out. These lashes are super pretty, but if you guys know me, I do not know how to put on lashes. So I'm gonna give them to my friend. They're really nice. It doesn't say any style on here. Oh, here it says Instaglam, in case anybody wants this and likes the pair. And then these are $14.99. And that's not bad because I've seen lashes for like almost 30. So maybe you can, you know, use it for a little while. And they're vegan falsies and made from premium silk fibers. Give your lashes dimension, blah, blah. One day I'll learn. And then this is variation 3, it says, in case anybody is wondering. After the lashes, I have other stuff I need to show you guys. Let's talk about these brushes. This is from Luxie, and they're synthetic handcrafted brushes. They're really cute, by the way, and they're a cruelty-free company. I like the packaging. It has glitter on it and it's not gritty too much. It's just, I thought it was gonna be like super rough, but it's not rough, and they're really soft. It says it's a mini set, so there's like 4, but they're pretty large. So I have brushes like these. They have uses on here, like it's hard to read, but this one is the 131 and it's the mini angles, and then like there's a little pencil one, there's a other like a blending one, and like a tiny flat one. Give these away also because I have so many brushes. This is the only one I'm gonna keep because I want something like of the different packaging. I'm a set person, but like I also like different brushes here and there. This one is $21, and this is the brushes that it comes with in case anybody's interested and if they have these brushes. We have the Luxie 141 mini round brush, smudging or smoking out. The Luxie 121 mini tapered, effortlessly blend your crease color. Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush, blend out harsh lines and cream products. Luxie 131 mini angled pop-up color on your brow bone or place color in your crease. So $21 for this set isn't bad. The next one I am super excited for. I swatched it a little and it's so pretty. It's the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. Fashion Nova. Oh yeah, Fashion Nova. For some reason I was like, oh yeah, it's Boxycharm related. There's no way it's Boxycharm related. I actually don't have any highlight on right now because I'm gonna try this out. So here are the drops. I've never had Cover FX drops before. I know they did send out like some kind of eye veil, but I never got to use it. These are super pretty, and use it as highlight. You could definitely mix this with like your foundation or your primer, or even use it as highlight or anything else. It may seem good too. So I'm gonna take my okay, that one fell. Some drops. Ooh, okay, this is a lot. So I took some on here, and then let me apply it to my face. Oh my god. I need to like look into a mirror and fix it, but that is gorgeous. On my nose a little. Ooh, good thing I saved these to try on. So yeah, I'm gonna have lots of fun with these. Lately I've been into like liquid highlights and stuff, especially like the new Jeffree Star liquid frost. So this kind of reminds me of that. Oh my god. Oof, this is super blinding. I'm scared. Did I accidentally put on too much? I don't know what I'm doing. I'll see. And I like taking up a little bit. And I'm definitely gonna fix that when I come across a mirror. But oof, that's good. I'm gonna round it out so we don't have a little stripe. Oh, and I also got sick too, like right after Halloween. I've been sick ever since. So that sucks for me. And then I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm happy that we got this box. Come on. These drops are like expensive too. Let me see how much they are. I think they're 44. Let me see. They are 44. Their ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation moisturizer for an incredible luxe glitter effect on face and body. Oh yeah, you could also mix these with lotion. Ooh, I mean, I rather do that in the summer when I'm like wearing something cute instead of like it being cold and having drops all over me, unless it's for like Christmassy things. And then two more things. Okay, one thing I don't care about at all, but can you guys guess what it is? Something I hate. Let me show you. I'm also gonna get rid of it like ASAP. I just want to throw it to the fucking wall. It's a Jonteblu Glittering Star eyeliner, and I'm kind of, oh my god, this is only $5. I could actually throw it to the wall. Damn, no one's gonna want to buy this. Like when I sell online, I sell it for like 10 shipped. This is $5 and shipping is like $3.50. I'm gonna fucking give it away. I'm just giving it to my friend. It sparkles up your glam with Jonteblu Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaves behind a long-lasting subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. Oh, it's a pencil. For some reason I thought it was liquid. And yeah, it says number 601. Long-lasting black color, update your eyes. Yeah, I'm kind of intrigued by this, but I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use one bit of this shit. Eyeliner just bruises my face badly and I hate it. All right, before we jump into the last item, let's go ahead and look at the Boxy facts. All of our Boxy babes this month are our very own employees. Since the theme of the month is gold digger, we wanted to highlight just a few of the gold diggers we see every day. That's so cute. And then, have you heard about Boxy Lux? You know, you get, I think, 10 items for $21 plus $29.99. Not sure. It's like almost 50 or 60. But this was the things last time. So if you're interested, December is gonna have a Boxy Lux. It's only like once in 3 months. Oh yeah, I have to cancel before December, or else they're gonna charge me for 3 months because that's my subscription. Before the month ends, I'm gonna use up all my charms that I have. And they have like 10-page charm shop right now. So if you're like, oh my god, they never update it. They rarely do, but they have lots of things right now. And I'm gonna pick things out from there. And hopefully they add more things, because right now I don't really care about things on there. But if I had to use it, because it's, you know, it's free money, I'll just get something and give it to someone as a Christmas present. See? Yeah, doing lots of gifts this year. Last item, I was excited for it because it's pretty. What happened to my face? There. It's the Ace Beauty I'm just gonna say Grandiose palette, or Grandiose, I don't know. And this one is from Ace Beauty, and it's cruelty free, and these are the ingredients. This palette is pretty. If you've been on Instagram, you know that Kim Kardashian was like, she was doing the ad for Boxycharm, so she just watched everything and was showing everything off, etc. So now, since it's November, we don't have to see that anymore, because I would see it every 2 seconds, like, I want to see this, I know what I'm getting, I don't care. Or they had variations. You could have gotten, instead of the eyeliner, like tweezers, or brush cleaner, like a shampoo for your brushes. And I think that's it, right? Let me see. Yeah. And this palette everybody got. This is a pretty large palette, considering it only has 8 colors. Is it 8? I can't read. I can't math. The pans are pretty big. I won't swatch it because this is straight going to someone as a gift. So these are the colors: jasmine, clove, myrtle, and cinnamon. I love the top row. And the next row is patchouli, rose, and poppy, and primrose. They're beautiful. Comment below if how you like this palette. I have these colors in like different palettes already, so I really don't need a bunch of palettes. I feel like I, by the way, just bought the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I'm just waiting for it to arrive so I could do a video on it. My first Jeffree Star palette. I have so many lipsticks and highlighters, but I don't have a palette, so I'm excited. And then I'm getting the James Charles X Morphe palette. Yes, so I don't need, little palettes. I just need things that are unique and has lots of colors. So yeah, this was the palette. And if you guys have any questions about this month's Boxycharm, or if you guys have any comments, or if you have sympathy for me because since I'm canceling Boxycharm, leave it down below. But don't worry, I'm still having Ipsy. I am still going to be doing clothing hauls. Oh yeah, oh my god, I have 2 clothing hauls coming and 2 makeup videos coming. That's awesome. Hopefully I get everything before I have to move. I am doing like the change of address thing, so hopefully everything goes to my new apartment. But yeah, the background will be different soon, and whatever 4 things I can't finish, it'll be a different background. Still figuring out where I'm gonna put my stuff, but it'll be different. And yeah, I hope you guys aren't upset that I'm not gonna have Boxycharm anymore. But I'll still follow Boxycharm and one day maybe join for like a few months or something. But I will be back. But everything else, I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.